The Booking Management Widget is a powerful option to use with our CRM calendar to schedule inquiries or job bookings. Using the Booking Management Widget, you can create the following types of booking options. Recommended bookings. Confirmed bookings. Recommended bookings is a personalized alternative to Zoho bookings. Using recommended bookings, you can select the booking options based on the client's location, resources, skills, or personal preference. A recommended booking is used to suggest date and time options to customers. You can send an email that lists the options with buttons for customers to select their preferred booking date and time, which is then automatically confirmed. A date and time can be recommended to more than one customer or assigned to a single customer, giving them a guaranteed period of time to make a decision. If you recommend the same date and time to more than one customer, it will automatically be booked when the first person selects it, preventing two customers from choosing the same time slot. Watch the Recommending Bookings video for more information. A confirmed booking is an agreed date and time. Entering recommended or confirmed booking is quick and easy. Under the New Booking tab, you can also open Route IQ to find the most suitable appointment options based on the geographical location of the appointment or the whereabouts of your resources. Route IQ is an optional extra, but provide a number of features to make scheduling and routing journals easy. Watch the Route IQ video for more information. First, choose your meeting host. Their email will automatically populate below, so you can be confident they will receive relevant notifications. Meeting hosts are configured under the Resources module. A resource does not need to have Zoho subscription, which means you can manage bookings for unlimited external parties without any additional cost, such as third-party consultants. To view a resource and allow them to have scheduled bookings, go to the Resource module and open the Booking tab. Click on Assign Bookings and select Individual under the Booking category. If they are in a different time zone, choose the time zone from the drop-down options. These can be configured based on your region. Under the Calendar Display options, the Booking Management Widget has multiple designs. These are displayed at the top. In your environment, you will see the main calendar. The other designs are hidden but can be activated upon request. You can also have a custom calendar layout design and develop specifically for your business or leverage one that has already been built. For example, this calendar was designed for managing sales inquiry bookings. It sorts the appointments by resource and location, making it easier to see bookings and availability. These bookings are also displayed in the main calendar, but layout has been designed for a specific purpose. Watch the video on custom calendar designs for more information. Under the Resources module, you can elect if the individual's bookings will be displayed in the custom design calendars, which means certain calendar designs can be for specific resources for a particular purpose, like a sales calendar and a job calendar. When sending a booking confirmation, you can link the resource's image or LinkedIn profile to the email or SMS. These fields in the Resources module can then be used as merge fields in the email template. Now let's return to the Booking Management Widget to create the new confirmed booking. Under the Record type, select a confirmed booking. There are other options you can select, such as a blockout or annual leave booking, so team members can see that you are unavailable. Annual leave can also be integrated with People, Zoho HR management application included in your Zoho One. To understand more about the recommended booking option, watch the Recommended Bookings video. Enter the start date and time and the duration. If the resources is based in another time zone, this tab will display two time zones. Local start date and time. This is the time zone of the host. This is configured under the Resource module. Start date and time. This is the time zone of the current user. Finally, if the customer is in a different time zone, this will also be displayed. This means the communication to all parties can include all required time zones. There are also features like all day or choosing recurring meetings. If you tick this option, choose your recurring options. Under the Client Details section, you can select the booking type, which may support custom workflows and notifications based on the type of booking. You can add customer notes. Under the Location Details, choose a location of the booking. It can either be a location linked to the inquiry, the resource, which is the host, or remote option. If you select the inquiry location, under the location type, You can choose the address linked to the inquiry, the customer's physical address, a location linked to the account, or choose other address to specify a unique location. If you choose account location, all the addresses linked to the account will be displayed. This feature supports customers that have multiple properties. If you have not captured the address, you can enter it from the booking calendar and use the Google address lookup for fast search. The update address will be ticked automatically to update the inquiry record. If you navigate away from this tab to any of the tabs under the booking widget, your details will not be lost. This means you check the calendar for availability and then return to the new booking tab to complete the information. Once you have completed all the fields, click on Save Booking to return to the calendar, or Save and Close to return to the inquiry. I'm going to click on Save Booking. Your confirmed booking link to this inquiry is now displayed under the Booking tab. From here, you can cancel the booking. Now go to the Calendar tab. Under the Month view, the booking is displayed. Also, under the Week view, as this resource is set up to also display in the second calendar, you can also see the same booking under the custom design calendars. The main calendar is using icons and colors to help you identify the record types and booking status. CRM Booking. The booking calendar integrates with Zoho CRM Calendar. You can identify these meetings by the Zoho CRM icon. Annual Leave. You can also integrate with Zoho People for annual leave bookings. These blockouts can be identified by the People icon. Blockout resources can also mark themselves as unavailable by using blockouts. These can be identified by the blockout icon. Recommended Booking. Confirmed Booking. Recommended and confirmed bookings have a tick. Green tick is a confirmed booking. Black tick is an available booking. Yellow tick is an available booking with recommendations. As for the colors, these can be customized to your business needs. Under the Booking module is a color pick list. You can modify this list by following the same structure as the options shown. You can then create workflow rules to update the value in the booking record, and the hex code will be used to determine the color displayed in the Booking Management Widget. In the standard setup, the colors as follows. Green color with a green tick is a confirmed booking. Orange box with a black tick is an available booking. Yellow box with a yellow tick is an available booking with recommendations. Red color with a black tick is an available booking with a cancel booking. Gray color is used for annual leave and blockouts. Lighter gray is used for CRM bookings. Now watch the video on recommended bookings to learn more features on creating the available bookings and recommending multiple booking dates and times to your customers, which can be selected via an online booking confirmation page.